Okay, Namaskaram, dear all. Happy New Year wishes. Welcome to yet another episode of Pramaya's Kishore Medha Protsahana Yojana. And today, 2nd January 2022. I don't know how many of you have seen the backdrop behind me is also showing something else other than the regular backdrop we have. Can somebody read and tell me quickly who can decipher this? Pranati, can you do that? There is something else undi kada? Who can tell me? Chinu,
What, uncle?
can you see the backdrop behind me?
Yes, uncle.
There are two details. One is your Pramaya's Kishore Medha Protsahana Yojana regular banner. There is something else along with that. Can you see? Pranati?
Ramaya Mahabharata music and dance.
Absolutely. Margari Music and Dance Festival series. Today we are starting at 10:55 on the ID given there. KJX GVSXC Rasan Kada. I have sent you the link also. At 10:55 we are starting the Margari series. This boy, Master Raghavaraman from Bengaluru, they are doing it in a studio. We are doing it in a studio formal function where we all can watch from wherever we are through Google Meet and YouTube also. It's a hybrid concept. Today is the inaugural ceremony. So I would request the children to join and listen to how does it go, what are the proceedings and how does this boy sing. He sings very nice. Okay, Chinu, nice. So let me again formally welcome you all. And okay, we just got Sharda International School, Koppal joined from the ID Red Fort. Red After Art. Very good. Mr. Sujan, are you there? Which ID is this? Anyway, okay, we will continue. So we will just start the day with a little bit of pranayama. All of you guys, all the children, take Yoga Mudra, Chin Mudra from wherever you are seated. Keep them on your knees. Keep your head straight. Listen to the Tanpura. Pranati, can you listen to the Tanpura sound?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sit straight. Keep your eyes closed. Just do Omkara 3 bar. Om. Nadi Shodhana, just about 4 cycles each. Take Vishnu Mudra, Vrigi Mudra. Start from the left nostril, hold your breath for about 7 seconds in and release it from the right nostril. 4 cycles, just about 4 cycles, do it. Well, that's so wonderful. As I told you today at 11 o'clock, 10:55, we are starting our Margari Dhanurmasam Music and Dance Festival series, and the inaugural function is going to happen at Prayag Studio, Banashankari, Bengaluru. Right? So you guys can watch how does it go on. So without wasting much time, let me call upon Master Chinmay Sharma, who is joining from the ID because he is going to recite Panchodaya Stotra. Yeah, Chinu, over to you. Please start.
Bracket stop. Panchayata Stotram Chattanu. Spurat Sahasrara Shikhati Tivram. Sudarshanam Bhaskara Koti Tulyam. Suradvisham Prana Vinasi Vishnu Chakram Sadaham Sharanam Prapadye Vishnu Suranam Kulaika Hantrim Vaikuntavamagra Karabhimrishtam Gadam Sadaham Sharanam Prapadye प्रपद्ये रक्षोऽसुराणां कठिनोग्रकण्ठ छेदक्षरक्षो नितदिग्धधारां तन्नन्दकं नाम हरे प्रदीप्तं खड्गं सदाहं शरणं प्रपद्ये लज्जानिनादश्रवणात् सुराणां चेतांसि निर्मुक्तभयानि सद्यः भवन्ति दैत्या शनिबाणवर्षी शाङ्गं सदाहं शरणं प्रपद्ये इमं हरे पञ्चमहायुधानां स्तवं पठेद्योऽनुदिनं प्रभाते समस्तदुःखानि भयनिसद्यः पापानि नश्यन्ति सुखानि सन्ति वने रणे शत्रुजलाग्निमध्ये यदृच्छयापत्सु महाभयेषु इदं पठन् स्तोत्रमलाकुलात्मा सुखी भवेत् तत्कृत सर्वरक्षः.
Super, super. Sukhi bhave tatkruta rakshah. That's a fantastic start of the day. Children, a round of applause to Master Chinmay Sharma, who's joined from Coimbatore. It's a great start. I'm telling you, reciting mantras, slokas, padyas like this takes a lot deal of preparation, focus, and belief and allegiance to the art and culture. And it's such a wonderful start. Thank you, Chinu. And I'm going to be pinning the next child. We'll go now alphabetically. Is Kumari Arushi Mahadevan, joining from Coimbatore again. Aru, over to you. Beta, open your video. Arushi there. Okay. With you.
Good morning to all. Today I'm going to speak on the topic a generation gap and its failures. Now firstly, what is a generation gap? A generation gap is a difference of opinions between one generation and another regarding beliefs, political values and topics. Now age is one big reason for the natural gap between generations. However, the major issue arises due to the mental gap in terms of thinking pattern and current trends. As a person who is going through this myself, I can assure on the whole, both parents and their children don't see things from the standpoint of another. Thus, misunderstanding is a great cause for the formation of the generation gap. They talk about some issues that can cause tension between the teenagers and parents: homeworks, sibling fights, boundaries, and trust. Some teenagers feel like their parents need to show more trust and give them more independence, but they also know that the parents are mostly just concerned for their safety. The ages between the parents and their children are often large enough that they experienced their most impressionable years during a different culture than each other. Adolescence is often the time where people are most influenced by the society around them, and as our world keeps developing and changing, things rarely stay the same, causing generation gaps between parents and their children. Now, a few more causes for the generation gap may be lack of understanding. See, nowadays, different generations seem to speak a different language. And due to the time of their children, even their way of thinking and what they deem to be normal tends to be different. Not only that, but parents often do not tolerate mistakes and tend to tell their children off. Children need to make mistakes and to learn and grow in life, but if they only get punished for it, it widens the gap and creates a lack of proper communication. Also, children are expected to be replicas of their parents. Allow me to clarify. Parents often have dreams for their kids, and a lot of time it unintentionally suffocates them. Now, we as Gen Z also have to realize from their point of view of our parents, because they have been brought up in a certain way and have turned out amazing. This leads to them wanting to implement similar parenting methods on their own children. And we all can see as to how much the world has changed. And our parents have also adjusted to our needs often. Now we should put aside our misconceptions and try to help our parents in mending the generation gap. Thank you.
That's so wonderful, Arushi. Very nicely put across, a very balanced way of putting across your points and thoughts. Let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, Arushi also writes poems very well. She's a script writer. She's got so many other talents in house. You made us proud, Arushi. Fantastic, and she's doing great. Yes, yes. Thank you so much. And the next child I'm going to call is from the ID Deepa Sharma. We have Ananya and Riya. Kumaris Ananya and Riya. Let us see what they're going to be presenting. We will start with Ananya followed by Riya, right? Or are you going to be performing together?
Yes.
Okay, together. Rendu per change paadu. Very good.
And so we're going to sing the song Shiva Kanta Shankar.
Excellent. Paadunga. Tampura vachindrukela illaya? Okay, paadu. No problem. Okay.
Shiva Kanta Shambho Shashankara Maulike Maheshana Shulin Tatadukadarin Swamiko Jagat Vyapako Vishwarupa Prasida Prasida Prabhu Aham Sashvatam Karanam Karananam Shivam Kevalam Vasakam Vasakanam Turikam Tamat Paramagyantahinam Prapadevaram Pavanam Daikati Namaste, Namaste, Vibhoteshwarupe. Namaste, Namaste, Chidanandamurte. Namaste, Namaste, Tapoyogagamya. Namaste, Namaste, Buddhigyanam.
Very nice. Ananya and Riya, so beautiful. You sing in unison. Let me tell you, Ananya and Riya joined from Coimbatore. They are the granddaughters and disciples of Vidushi Srimati Lakshmi Mahadevan, a very, very, very senior musician of Coimbatore, a very well renowned person, and it's so nice to have them here. And Ananya and Riya have joined for this event for the first time, and I'm very sure next week onwards. By the way, we do it every week, right? This event happens every week on Sunday morning at 7:25 onwards. It goes for about an hour or so. That's so wonderful. Thank you having you here around with us. Happy New Year and do very well.
Can you also sing another one?
Yeah. Well, please sing. Yeah. One second. Just a moment. Just a moment. Huh? Yeah, please. Now that you were two, you just used one slot, right? One slot is about 5 minutes. So you can use the second slot. No problem.
No, I'll go next maybe.
You want to sing now, the second slot? Sing. Let me also welcome Vidushi Srimati Lakshmi Mahadevan ma'am. I just spoke about her now. I just saw her joining on the other ID. It's so nice. See the way how Riya is so happy. Party vandutta naanga paadradha keka vandutta appdinu. She's so happy. Okay, Ananya, over to you. Sing.
Alola Tulasi Vanamala Bhushana Alola Tulasi Vanamala Bhushana Shri Rama Rama Hare Shri Narayana Krishna Govinda Jagannatha Gopala Jagannatha Purushottama Padaya Nantana Indu Patana Nantana Indu Patana Shri Rama Rama Hare
good. Ananya and Ria have done a fantastic job. Nicely sung. I think you made your party and Guru and your parents and everyone proud. We will keep meeting you on different fronts. This is going to happen every week as part of Ramaya's Kishora Medha Protsahana Yojana. I've just got Crusher Dark join. Let me also formally welcome Lakshmi ma'am again. It is so wonderful to have you around, ma'am. So nice. Thank you so much. And all the children, why don't you say Namaste to Lakshmi? Now, yeah, your alphabetical order is ahead of Deepa Sharma. But okay, I can take the liberty of calling you now because you should have joined immediately after Arushi. Ladies and gentlemen, Tanush happens to be the younger brother of Arushi Mahadevan. And Tanush, can you perform something now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. No problem. I'll get back to you later. I'm calling Kumari Devika M. Nair, joining us from Kolkata. Devu, your video is not on?
Just,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Devu.
Sir, so may I share my screen?
Yeah, please, please, please.
Sir, what am I supposed to share? The entire tab or?
Entire tab,
anything
you have
else?
to open and give permission for the audio also. Otherwise, we'll not be able to listen to your audio which is there in the video. Present the screen, start presenting and check the audio box in that. There's a small audio box, right? Yeah, we can see your screen, Devu. That's wonderful.
It's the next day now. Yesterday was a whole different year. Today is a new year. But nothing has changed. I didn't magically turn into a different person overnight. I don't feel any different. I don't look any different. Maybe a new year does not mean a new me. But, I might have changed. I've grown. I've grown bigger in some ways. I've grown smaller in some ways. I've made a few new relationships, but I've also lost a few older relationships. I guess I've brought happiness into a few people's lives, and I've also made many cry. Does this all cancel out against each other? Have I changed at all? Have I walked into another year without growing at all? Change does scare me, but not changing at all scares me even more. So I opened my journal. I saw rants about people who broke my heart, made me cry through the night, but I don't feel that anger anymore. I can recall the damage they've caused, and I strangely find myself not cursing them, but wishing them well. I flip the pages and see the wrongs I did, and the way I was justifying them in an unapologetic tone. And I read them feeling ashamed of how I used so many excuses and prayed for forgiveness. The further I turned the pages, the more I read about a person that I knew vividly, but in many ways, I didn't know her at all. I read about the things I was passionate about and still am. I read about the people who did me wrong that I've had the courage to cut off. I read about my best friends and how they still are. I read about many things that I left in the past and many that I still hold on to. And to say that I've not changed at all would be wrong. But I'm not a new person. I've taken 3 steps forward and 2 steps back. And I know it's only a step forward, but it's only been 1 year. And I'm proud of that 1 step. And as I walk into a new year, I feel the old me standing just a step behind me, telling me to grow further. And I promised her, I'll look back at you every once in a while to see how far we've come. Oh, and thank you.
That is so wonderful, Devu. So wonderful. And ladies and gentlemen, Kumari Devika M. Nair, daughter of Colonel Madhusudan Nair and Lieutenant Colonel Seema Madhusudan joining. So wonderful. You made us really, really proud, the parents and the teachers and gurus. Nice having you around after a long time. She was busy with her exam. Let me tell you, she's a vocalist. She's a Bharatanatyam dancer. She does Mohiniyattam. She writes script. She produces videos. She's a fantastic squash player. She writes poems and script and whatnot. God bless you, Devu. We are so proud of you. Thank you. And welcome, Gayatri Garu. Nice having you around. We just started. We will go by the next ID, the next Mehta Protsahana Yojana. So let me tell you, this is a platform which is open not only for the students of Pramayas, which I keep telling. Pramayas has always treated every single child and every member, every parent and every volunteer as our own. We've never distinguished. This platform creates a wonderful option for the students of Pramayas to interact with other children all over the world. Like today, for the first time, we had Ananya and Riya who joined us, who performed so well. Nice to have you around. And today is also Miss Kyatika Adi Babi's birthday. So it's wonderful. I think we all can put our hands and sing her a happy birthday song. Can we do it? Kyatika, can we do it for you? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. We will all presume that Kyatika Ati had sent us small morsels of cakes from Badmer, Rajasthan. And our blessings to you. Kyatika, do very well in life. You're a wonderful child. And I request your older sister, Geetika, to continue, and you will continue after her. Okay? Geetika, I'm pinning you. Over to you.
Yes, sir. So, good morning, one and all. Happy New Year once again to each and everyone. And I wish you all would be healthy and prosperous in this year. So, to start with my topic, so as it's New Year, so I would like to talk about one of the basic and fundamental, most important thing to all of us, that's our Aadhaar card. So yeah, in India, I often see people that they take Aadhaar card very seriously. They preserve their Aadhaar card, even using their even the e-Aadhaar card with their own password rather than the password which was given by the government even. So I will be stating a few uses as well as the misuses of Aadhaar card. So if we go with the uses of Aadhaar card, I could say that it's an easy voter card linking, like we could link our voter card with this. We need not have any other except proof. And then the passport office would make an appointment with us within the 3 days, and after the 3 days, within a week you will be getting your passport. So I was literally shocked when for reading it for the first time, and we could even like the pensionaries could get the pensions on time. There are even more benefits, like we could say Jeevan Praman, which is a biometric enabled digital service for pensioners. According to the statistics, it's about 550.41 lakh pensioners and still counting. They are still using the Aadhaar card for getting their digital life certificate. And we could get even the other subsidies like LPGs and others. So these are all the uses. Well, basically we could just, it's part of, like, we could identify ourselves as an Indian, which is the most important thing with the use of Aadhaar card. So when we go for misuses, yes, misuses do happen a lot because the Aadhaar card, and at some point of time, even in the market, they don't require all our OTPs or biometric information. They just need a name and the Aadhaar card number. So it's like when the JioSIM was introduced for the first time in the market, it was I guess there was something like, on our Aadhaar card we could get 6 SIM cards. So if we have taken one SIM card for us, the other 5 SIM cards with the same of our Aadhaar card name and Aadhaar card number are with other persons which we don't know, whom we don't know. They might have used that Aadhaar card for others. Or like eKYC, you could say that. In eKYC, you could get the money just by simply using your Aadhaar card number and name. You need not get the OTP for it. Like when you could say the on phone, on mobile, if you go for the KYC, it would ask like the Aadhaar card number and name. Even for some of the banks, I guess it is not right now, but according to what I have read, it was some kind of old article. Previously, there was like, for the guarantees, if you want to take a loan for the guarantor sign, you need to give the Aadhaar card name and number.
So right now they are taking the signatures, but it was not in the previous time. So it was like if you give the Aadhaar card name and number, it's well and good. Like you would get the loan, and the person who like the person has given my name and my Aadhaar card number. He might have taken the money and lost, so I would be made responsible for it to pay the amount. So I guess Aadhaar card has its own uses and misuses. So yes, if you want to know the misuses it is causing by your Aadhaar card, you could just go in the official Aadhaar card login page, and you could see the Aadhaar card transaction history, in which you will be able to see where and all your Aadhaar card has been used, let it be offline or online. You would be able to see the Aadhaar card where it has been used, and you could easily find out the misuses it is being caused by you. Thank you very much.
That is so wonderfully thought. It's a very perfect and a very apt topic to have chosen by Geetika, and you did a lot of research and gave us, because everything is now linked to Aadhaar card. It is a data bank. The whole country would know. With one number, you would know what this person is doing, what is his financial transactions. And yes, we generally have one or two SIM cards, but what happens to the other four? If some unscrupulous guy, some bad element tries to procure a SIM card on your name and end up in doing something stupid, which you would never come to know, but the legal responsibility of answering this still lies with you. I think Geetika has done a fantastic job by choosing this topic and spoken very, very clearly about the uses and misuses. Knowing the use is good, but knowing the misuse is more important, so that you don't do or you don't get trapped into something wrong. It's so wonderful, Geetika. Very, very nicely thought and put by you. A round of applause to you. Now I request the birthday baby, Kyatika Ati, to speak. Kyatika, okay, over to you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Kyatika and I'm from Bangalore. So today I took one of the most difficult tasks in the universe, that is to make others laugh. So I hope everyone laughs. Even if one of the jokes make you laugh, it will make my birthday. So it's not as boring as Geetika, but okay, it's a bit okay. You can laugh. So first, the first joke. There is a convo between husband and wife. Wife says, "Let's watch a movie," and husband says, "Select a comedy movie." But wife says, "Let's watch a comedy horror one," and husband says, "Let's watch a marriage recording."
My God. Come on, Kyatika, you're
And
too young to comment
this
on
is a
this.
convo between teacher and the student.
Okay.
So teacher says, "Frame me a sentence that contains sugar in it." So student says, "I drank a warm tea in the morning." Teacher asks, "Where is the sugar?" Student says, "It is dissolved in the tea already."
Yeah, that's nice.
And convo between dad and son during dinner time. Son asks, "Are bugs good to eat?" Dad says, "It's disgusting, don't talk about it while we are eating." And after dinner, dad asks, "So what were you saying?" Son says, "Oh, it's nothing, there was a bug in your soup, but it's now gone, don't worry about it."
Yeah, perspective. Good.
And one day Jimmy got early from the school, and his mother asked, "Why are you so early?" He replied, "I was the only one to answer the question very correct and very fast." His mother thought he was a very talented kid. She asked what was the question. He said the question was, "Who threw the trash can on principal's head?"
Oh my God.
So for the last, a nonsense quiz. I guess Pranti knows the answer for it, but Pranti, please don't try to try. Everyone can try it, except Pranati and Geetika. So what do you call a bee who just started learning? Everyone can try. What do you call a bee which just started learning?
Oh, that's wonderful. I would say a busy bee, but you will have something up your sleeves.
An alphabet?
What?
An alphabet?
No.
Okay, bee was just started learning. Okay. I don't know. Devu? Can you try Devu?
Sir, I don't know. Can you repeat the question
Kyatika.
again?
What do you call a bee? We just started learning.
Bee, it's like bee double E, the honey bee.
Oh,
Busy bee, honey bee, bumblebee.
Trainer? Is
baby.
there a bee trainer?
Nora.
No. Stop, Mr. Krabs.
But. Okay, Kyatika, tell the answer.
The answer is beginner.
Oh my God, that's so bad joke it is, but still you made us very laugh. That's so wonderful, Katika. I think from the moment you said the most difficult job to make others laugh genuinely, sincerely. The moment you started your topic, I think every one of us was smiling, and smile. When you smile, your heart opens with kind of a compassion for others. It's very, very difficult to make others happy and smile in true sense. And she took a dig on her older sister, telling that my topic is not as boring as Geetika. The moment she said, everyone laughed again. And she continued to keep this laughter quotient alive in us. And the most happy face was Pranati, of course. And because they've discussed the jokes, I know. Wonderful, wonderful, Babi, you made our day by keeping it very apt in keeping the day, your birthday, and made us feel happy with your good jokes. But that initial joke, you're too young to comment on that. That marriage wala video. Anyway. Thank you so much. God bless. That's so wonderful. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, something says. Hi, Sriram. Nice. Okay.
I sent you a message.
Okay. I'll get back to Krashadak, Tanush Mahadevan, who missed his turn. Tanush, over to you.
Okay, uncle. So today, good morning everyone. I'm going to be singing a song
Oh, good.
which I'm going to play the karaoke. So
All yours.
it's,
Karaoke, are you playing from the same computer?
yes.
Okay, for today it is okay. Next time onwards, try not to log in from the same computer where you play the tracks. Then there is an audio disturbance. That's okay. Today you can do.
Oh, okay, thank you. जिंदगी कर लगा ले जिंदगी कर लगा ले गम ने भी तेरे हर एक गम को गले से लगाया है ना ऐ जिंदगी कर लगा ले ऐ जिंदगी हमने बहाने से छुपके जमाने से पलकों के पर्दे में कर लिया तेरा सहारा मिल गया है जिंदगी ला 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 तेरा
Tracks from some other hand device. Okay. Now what happened? There will be a little bit of audio mismatch because the same system transmits both. Number one. Number two, Tanush, not only for Tanush, all young boys of his age, we must know as we cross the age of 11 or 12, it happens more so with the boys because of hormonal changes, the voice gets slightly disturbed. I know you're not very happy with your own performance. You thought, "Hai zindagi gale lagale." The top notes when you're going, you thought you were not comfortable. It happens. It happens because the track is in a particular pitch, but your voice has slightly come down pitch wise. Don't worry about that. We all have gone through this age and stage. Now a time will come where you will be very, very comfortable with your voice range. Fantastic. Good job, Tanush. Good job. Nice. Let me also welcome Srimati Vasudharini, who's just joined from Coimbatore. She's again a fantastic singer and a guru. Vasudharini Srinivasan. Vasumam, you there?
Yeah.
So wonderful, so wonderful. Nice to have you around. And let me pin the next child. We have Lakshmi ma'am is watching. Then I'll request Sri Kuti joining us from Hyderabad through the ID Madhavi Shastri. Gayatri Garu, can I pin you? Are you there, Gayatri Garu? Yeah, we can. Right. So that's so wonderful. Okay, today Sri has got something else to do. Over to you, Sri Pravartika. Gayatri Garu, why don't you join her? Sit along with her, no? It's immaterial whether you're performing or not. No? Namaste, namaste. Happy New Year to you all. Ammagaru unnara dagira? Ammagaru is not there nearby? Okay. Padama, padu. Okay, start with your recital.
Namaste dear all. Today I am going to chant some slokas. I am disciple of Wing Commander Minjar M. Yegyaraman Iyer. The sloka I am going to chant is written by Mahakavi Kalidas in Kavyam Raghuvamsam. Vagardhaviva Sampruptau Vagardha Pratipattaye Jagatav Pitarav Vande Parvati Parameshwarau. The meaning of this is like this. I worship Parvati and Parameshwara, the parents of the world, who are inseparable like a word and its meaning, in order to understand word and their meanings. The other sloka I am going to chant is Jaya Mantram. Jayat Jati Baloramo Lakshmanasya Mahabalaha Raja Jayati Sugrivo Raghavenavi Palitaha Dasoham Kosalendrasya Ramasya Aklishta Karmanaha Hanuman Setusenyana Nihanta Marutatmajaha Naravana Sahasramye Yudhya Pratipalam Bhavet Silavistu Praharataha Padapeishya Sahasrasaha Ardhayitvam Purim Lankam Abhivadayacha Maithilim Samriddhartho Gamishyami Vishatam Sarva Rakshasam Apadam Pahardaram Dataram Sarva Sampadam Lokabhiramam Sriramam Bhuyo Bhuyo Namamyaham. These words said by Lord Hanuman in Sundarakanda of the epic Ramayana. This is actually famous as Jaya Mantram. Is the Sanskrit word which means victory or success. The one who chants this mantra daily will definitely get success in his or her life. In general, every sloka of Ramayana has its importance and have its effect if chants, because it is said that all 24,000 slokas of Ramayana are Vyakhyanam of Gayatri Mantram. By saying this mantram, Lord Hanuman announces his presence in Ashokavanam to get the attraction of King Ravana here. He says that he is the servant of Lord Rama, and whoever chants this mantra will be applicable for him, which means he is also a servant of Lord Rama. The responsibility lies on him to save us. Meaning, our Rama is with remarkable strength. Lakshmana is right as well. The Sugriva, king of Vanaras, who is saved by Ramachandra Murti, it is also celebrated by a victory.
I am the servant of Kosalendra, Ramachandra Murthy. My name is Hanuman, and I don't use any other weapon in my war. I stamped many demons under my toes. I will kill their Sena with the power of my fist. I will hit a few big trees and the big stones on Shatru Sena. The 1,000 demons are just a small insect for me. I will, I will make, I will make the Lanka town to suffer. I vow to my mother Sitama Tali, I will leave this city, Lanka, in the same way how I entered. No one could be able to stop me. Thank you.
That's so wonderful, Shrikuti. Very nice. And in fact, I call both of them together as Dinavahi sisters. And Shrikuti is so lucky to have such a fantastic family support system. The father, the mother, the brother, the Amama and Nanama, everyone. She's got a fantastic family support. So, Amagaru Unnara, why don't you come and bless all the children out here? Pilavandi koncham. Thoraga. That's so wonderful, and you've made us proud, Shrikuti. Kurchandi Ammagaru. Okay. Namaste, Happy New Year to all of you. It's wonderful to see you around, and please bless the children of Pramayas and everyone around here. It's so wonderful, and Shrikuti made us proud, and with the consistent support and training by her dear mom, she has taken a lot of interest in seeing through this coming up, and so nice. A round of applause. And Ammagaru, namaste from all of us to you. And I think she is possibly the senior most one to be here, other than Guru Srimati Lakshmi Mahadevan herself. She is almost of your age, and it is nice to have elders around us today on a very auspicious day around here. Let me also announce the presence of Srimati Vasudharani Srinivasan, a very, very talented singer and a bhajan performer, and she was one of the judges with us yesterday for the Purandaradasa Devarnama competition. We had it at Karnataka Sangha auditorium yesterday. So nice, wonderful, you made us proud, Shrikuti, keep doing. Let me call upon now, wonderful. Let me call upon now Kumari Pranati Athi from Tirupati along with her kid brother Sriram, where are you? Ekadunadu Sriram? He's there.
He is not performing.
He is not performing today. No problem. Okay. Hanuma has got a bigger mandible, maxilla mandible. The upper portion, the mandible moves bigger. That's why when he speaks, you would see him speaking in a different tone, because the voice production, as we keep saying, happens here. Other than the dental, cerebral, palatal, nasal sounds, the main production happens at this place. That's why when he speaks, he sounds different. Hanuma means that. I hope all of us have known it. He's got so many names. Anjana Putra, Anjana Tanaya, Anjaneya, Hanuma, Hanuman. He's a Mahapandita. Navavyakarana. He can talk about all the Vyakranas, all the Shastras, all the Puranas. He is one of the longest living legends. Chiranjeevi. There is a great story of when Bhima went to forest, he chanced upon meeting Hanuma. Hanuma was a very seriously penance-ing old man, looking very old, and Bhima took a chance of trying to finger his ego, where Hanuma teaches him and crushes him to his ego, not he himself. I'll tell the story a little later. That's so wonderful. We have Kumari Pranati Ati, so traditionally dressed, joining us from Tirupati. Pranati, over to you.
Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone. I am Pranati Ati from Tirupati, and the Geetam I'll be performing today is Mohananda Jai Krishna, set in Raga Mohanam, Talam Adi, and composed by my dear Guru Garu, Vinkananda Engineering sir. I am very honored to be performing this Geetam today because it was composed specially for me and my family. So I am very honored and grateful to be performing this song today. Thank you, sir.
Also, this is the first time you are performing it. Anyone for that matter? First time.
This is my first time.
Good. Over to you, Pranati. Oh, that's so wonderful, Pranati. You made us proud. And I think surprisingly, Today it happens to be Kyathika's birthday, so this is the best gift, a composition in which the names of Aruna, Neelima, Kyathika, Geetika, Pranati, all the names have come in the second charanam, and with the relevant, because all these names are Indian names. It's very easy to fit in these names into a contextual meaning which gives the bhavartham, padartham in a manner which possibly may not work out with some European names. If somebody's name is North Wellington, how do I put his name into a sahityam like this? Anyway, on the other way, so nice, thank you, you made us proud. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause. I see a big happiness on the face of Srimati Aruna Bhushan, who happens to be Kyathika's mom and a dear student joining from Badmer, Rajasthan. Thank you, Aruna Garu. So nice for being here. Pranati, you made us proud. Wonderful. Okay, and the next ID we have here is Red After Art, the Firebomb team from Sri Sharada International School, Koppal. So I think they got about 6-7 students. Just a moment, Mukund, I can see you. I saw Mr. Sojan Jose also. Yeah, namaste Mukund. How are you guys? Mukund, can you hear me?
Sir, we have 2 participants today.
Only 2, okay, no problem. Yeah, over to Mukund and the other one. Mukund, can you sit slightly behind? We can't see your face clearly. Yeah, that is perfectly okay. Yeah. Please continue.
Sir, first.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir,
Tell.
I'm trying to dance.
Yeah, do it. Please do it. You can remove the chair from that side. Alva.
Yes, sir, can you hear this song, sir?
No. Song track, I'm not hearing. Yeah. Yeah.
Can you see me, sir?
Yeah, please. Yeah, please. Start. Go slightly behind, Mukund. Slightly behind. Go behind, Mukund. We can't see your face. Go behind. Yeah. Mukund, that's so wonderful. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Mukund has got a bright future in Bollywood, Tollywood, Collywood. Nice.
Thank you, sir.
See, whatever Mukund does it, he does it very happily, very genuinely. There's a true happiness in him, and that happiness connects with all of us. Thank you, Mukund. So wonderful. Anybody else from your ID?
Yes, sir. We have answered.
Yeah, please. Oh, that is Angelina. Good morning, Angelina. How are you? Happy New Year.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Bad job. Where is your guitar? No guitar today. No problem. Okay.
Can you hear us, sir?
Yeah, clear. Angelina, can you keep the phone behind you, because your voice is being heard less. Keep the phone behind you, because you can hear the track and we can also hear it. That's so beautiful, Angelina. You always rock and do well. Mr. Sojan, there is some, I'll tell you, issue in that hall. The hall is little larger for that screen. On a day when you're not using the screen, I would suggest, because see that hall has got a lot of echo and reverberance, so that the voice is never completely clear. You know, for the kind of efforts what they are putting. So I would suggest on a day when you are not using a bigger screen, or just see a suitable place where the echo is the minimum. That's what I felt. Yeah. Depending on for the number of performers, the hall is too big. It can hold almost about 60 children. So 10:55 we'll meet again.
Okay, sir.
Meanwhile, thank you, Mr. Sojan Jose. A great contribution every time you do it. And I'll be failing in my duty if I don't mention the kind of interest and took a lot of pains to look more traditional, and he's got a nice namam, and he's wearing a kind of a hard band, and he looks so traditional, and you recited it so very well. That is number one. Number two is today is Kyatika Akka's birthday. A reason for us, all of us have to be happy, because happiness transcends in all of us. And today she rightly chose to crack some good jokes and made us all, okay, Mr. Sojan Jose, I think, yeah, you must leave, but your mess will be ready right now. The students from Sri Sarada International School, Koppal, please leave. We will meet next week again. Thank you so much. So today is Kyatika's birthday, and she made us happy. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So wonderful. Nice of you. And Kyatika Akka made us all happy. I'm just telling Akka from Chinmay's point of view. For me, she's a child. She's my child, and she's Akka for Chinmay and all little children. And I know Pranati will never call her Akka, because Pranati says, come on, we both are batchmates. They are cousins, by the way. And I really wonder Kyatika calls Geetika Akka only because they keep fighting. Sibling rivalry is a good bonding. Don't worry about that. 20 years down the line, you will remember as a child you fought with each other, and a time will come in your life you will bond with them very happily. Chinu, thank you so much for that. And I think we're coming to a close. Is Vasudharani there? I think she left the meeting. Maybe next time she will join. Can I request a word of blessings from Wing Commander Thadepalli Sharma Garu? He's joined from his leave station. Sharma sir, are you there? Can I request a word from you? Unara? Chinu Nana Unara Mala? Ah, yes, I can hear you, sir. Today being yes, 2nd of January, I want your blessings to Kyatika and all the children. Also, Pranati for the first time today performed this song. This song was performed for the first time by anybody, and the song it's a Geetam. A Geetam for the children to know. It is composed in Ati Chitratama Margam, where Prati Dabbaki, it will have only one Swaram. That is the beauty of the Geetam. So we have so many good happenings today. This girl Shri Kuti presented so very well. Raghumsasha Slokam followed by an interpretation so nicely done. I am so happy for today's happenings. A fantastic job by each and everyone. This girl, Devu did a great job by presenting something very, 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 very relevant for the day. So is with Geetika, so is with happy. For no rhyme or reason, you can be very happy. Today is so many coincidences. Children, can you figure it out? Kyatika's birthday. From you, Sharma sir. I'm pinning you.
Yeah, no. Yeah, I'll just tell the audio itself, because I think the other signal is a little poor.
Yeah, I understand. Over to you, sir. Okay. We can hear you very clearly.
What a fantastic way to start 2022. I must tell you that, all children who have started this year with bang, and I'll pray that the Almighty will bless them in abundance, and they all will do exceedingly well, whatever they have been doing till now, and they should learn much more than what they have learned so far. And I must tell you, Pramayas is doing a wonderful job, and I have no words to say the kind of efforts and time that you dedicate to the traditions, and also to nurture the talent of these young kids, because in these days of technology, the best use that you are actually putting them to use this technology to come together across the globe and then do something which is so fantastic. It is really commendable, and I think all of us, all parents, teachers, children, more so, you should be really grateful and thankful to the team of Pramaya, especially the towering personality of, or maybe I can say multifaceted personality of Wing Commander Egna Raman, having actually taken such a lead and actually giving you a good platform for all of you to come together and learn a lot, get inspired by others, because as we see, it's very, very small, group of small, people. It's like one family coming together and actually spending some time in the most useful way, and also to focus your thought, and also to see what else can you do other than what you have been doing. It's a great inspiration and also a great motivation for all of you to do something in your life, because studies are essential part definitely. But this is something like, if you don't add culture to that, if you don't add values to that, whatever we do, I think it will just lose out. As someone said, if you don't add a pinch of salt to whatever preparation you do, irrespective of the kind of ingredients that put, the kind of money that you spend, the kind of amount of, the time that you spend, everything goes in vain, because that pinch is the essence. If that pinch is not there, it is not there. But that pinch itself is not enough, because if you take the salt by itself, I think none of us would like. So please ensure that you grow holistically, and you grow, also take this essence along with whatever you are doing, so that all of us can see you growing and all of you can take this torch forward. And because the culture that we have inherited, the culture that we belong to, is something which we have no words to explain, because the entire world today is looking up to us, not because of anything else, but just because of this. So you are the future generations, and you must start the right things. And what a best, the great way to start 2022. Let us see that, the Pramaya's gains and grows strength to strength, and gives further more opportunities, and children will actually take the step forward and do whatever best they can. All the very best to all of you, and all those, the little one who is celebrating her birthday today.
Yes, sir. Kyatika,
okay. And all others who have just joined, please inspire others also to take part. And this is the way Pramaya should grow much farther, much larger, and much stronger. And all of you do whatever you have been doing in the best possible way. You should make all of us proud. One day you should say that, yes, I have been part of Pramayas, and today I am here today. And whatever you are, the ingredients have been, the seeds have been sown right in the right time, at the right place, and they have been nurtured well. Thank you very much.
My God, what a way to put across, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, Wing Commander Tadepalli Sharma Garu is possibly the most qualified officer of my branch of our fraternity. He is a personality development, motivational speaker. He is, I can't say. He is younger to me by age, by a couple of years, but I call him Anna, and I call Lakshmi Ma'am Badina Garu, because I hold him in the highest regards, pedestal, and possibly, I have no words. He's such a wonderful, amazing personality. He's got a lot of compassion and love for everyone. Very soon we'll have a talk show by him. And sir, you really honored us by today being here, and Chinu did wonders. When you started speaking, there was a glow on his face. He was so happy ki Nana garu maatladutunna nenu vinabothunanu. And you spoke, you charged us with energy in each and every word alphabet of yours. It looked as if you prepared the speech 1 year before, and everything was falling in place so beautifully. And that is how he speaks. He conducts courses for the entire Air Force for personality development. He talks on mental health issues. He talks on so many other topics. Very soon we'll have a talk by him. Exclusive talk show by Sharma Garu. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for being here and blessing Kyatika, Shri Kuti, and everyone around here. So nice to have you here, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to Wing Commander Tadepalli Sharma Garu. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, now, to have this morning going, can I request Lakshmi Ma'am? Again, Lakshmi Ma'am is a common name for all of us. Mrs. Sharma also shares the name Lakshmi, and my wife is Preeti Lakshmi, and my father's name is Mahadev Iyer. So there are so many coincidences today. Lakshmi Ma'am, a word or two from you.
Yeah, Pramaya, yesterday when you told me about this, I was just wondering what is this platform like. But today when I see the children performing, my God, I don't know what to say. Everybody has got so much talent. They are outperforming, I will say. With not only singing, dancing, storytelling, and what not. Really, I am so happy to see all these children performing so well. And I think we should really motivate all these children to come up further and do more and more. And any sort of, support or whatever you require from my side, I will definitely.
Ma'am,
thank you. God bless you all children.
Thank you, ma'am. I can understand from the tone and tenor of your voice that you're deeply appreciative of the talents put in by these children, and your very presence being here for almost about 1.5 hours, right since morning. She's a very, 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 very busy person. She's got thousands of students to teach and interact. Lakshmi ma'am, having you around is a blessing for us, and we're going to bother you often for various requirements of ours. Just keep sharing your blessings to the children of Brahmayas and each and everyone. So wonderful, ma'am. Thanks.
Thank you.
இன்னைக்கு சாயங்காலம் வரே இல்லையா? You're there in the evening today? வாங்க. Yeah, finals we are there. And today at 10:55, Brahmayas is starting the Margazhi series. It will be great to have you around online. And so wonderful. Loka samastaha sukhino bhavantu. And you will not believe, that is my tagline in my WhatsApp status. I was so happy to see today morning for the first time, Lakshmi ma'am has got a same tagline. Right, ma'am? Yes. That was so wonderful. I was taken aback by we could not, because we were busy with other events, and today is possibly we will consider as a great beginning of the day. And young Ananya and Riya made us proud, made their party and guru so proud. And Mr. Sharma, are you there? Riya's father? Can you come onto the screen, sir? I think, can I request a word from him, ma'am? Is it okay for you? Yeah. Our first name, and what is his first name?
He is called at home as
Shankar Sharma. Okay.
Shankar Subramanya Sharma.
SSS, triple S. He is triple S for us. Mr. Sharma, namaskaram. He was the first one to join. In fact, when we were ready, he was the first one to log in, and he kept on waiting from 7:14 onward. He was there. Shankar Subramanya Sharma sir, a word from you, please.
I had a glimpse of what the children were doing.
Okay.
I was doing something else. But
2019, I've been hearing about her, but maybe the first time we could interact on a common platform was yesterday, and it was so nice listening to her, and she is a storehouse of experience and knowledge, and having her around today here with us is so wonderful. Now that I am meeting you for the first time, if I can ask you, what is your professional background otherwise?
So I am into pharmaceuticals and medical devices.
Okay, medical devices.
So we supply in the state of Tamil Nadu and Kerala to all the hospitals.
Oh wow! By what brand name, sir?
It's a company called Medtronic.
Medtronic. You deal with medical equipment.
No, there are two different classifications. Medical equipment is different. Medical implants are different.
Implants, okay. Oh, understood. So wonderful to have you around here, sir.
Our body, particularly into cardiology, is what my.
Okay. Are you a doctor by yourself?
No, I'm not a doctor.
Okay. So wonderful. It's nice to see little ones, Ananya and Riya, and nice knowing you, sir. We'll often interact with you, or maybe on a personal front too. The world is so small. And 10:55, we are inaugurating the ceremony through a wonderful ceremony happening at Bengaluru. Possibly if we can join for 10-15 minutes and listen to the child. He was the winner of our competition, Brahmaya's Vocal Competition 2020, and I could give him a platform only after 2 years. We were committed so much. So nice, ladies and gentlemen. I think today is going to be memorable. Anyone else wants to say anything? Is anyone else wanting? Madhavi Garu, a word from you. Would you want to say? Okay. I think we can close the day today.
Bye.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Chinu, bye-bye. Take care. So nice. And Devu, is dad there nearby? Colonel Nair, is he there nearby?
No, sir, he is not in
Is mom there?
Yes, she's in the other room.
Other room, okay, no problem. I just, today being, the first happening of the year, I thought a word of message of blessings from them to the children. And I think our day is done. Our day is made, and for all the good. It's a great start. I think this year will see us through the trials and tribulations, and we will all put our hands together to see Omicron vanishes, COVID vanishes.